Feature phones have always had a special place in the world of mobile devices. Before smartphones became the center of our digital life, compact keypad phones were the heartbeat of communication in almost every household. Even today, many users, from elders to travelers to minimalists, prefer the simplicity and reliability of a basic phone. Among the brands that continue to produce dependable feature phones, Samsung remains one of the most trusted names. In this long, in-depth unboxing and review, we take a complete look at the Samsung SM-B310E dual SIM keypad phone, a small but powerful device designed for people who need essential communication without distractions. From the box experience to build quality, battery performance, call clarity, software features, and final verdict, everything is covered in detail. Let's begin. Samsung has always kept its packaging clean, simple, and efficient, and the SM-B310E continues that tradition. The box is compact, lightweight, and made with recyclable cardboard. The branding is clear, with the phone's picture printed on the top and a few key specifications listed on the sides. Once you cut the seal and lift the top flap, you are greeted immediately by the phone itself. It's wrapped in a thin protective plastic cover to prevent scratches during transport. The first impression is exactly what you expect from a Samsung feature phone: compact, sturdy, and perfectly sized to fit in your palm. Inside the box, you will typically find Samsung SM-B310E phone, Samsung battery 800 mAh removable, Samsung charger, micro USB, slow charge, quick start guide, warranty booklet, safety information leaflet. You do not get earphones or a USB cable in most retail units, which is expected considering the price and category of this device. Overall, the unboxing experience feels neat and straightforward. Nothing fancy, but everything essential is included. The Samsung SM-B310 is built with durability in mind. Feature phones are often used in tough environments, construction sites, traveling, rural areas, and Samsung clearly understands this. The device feels incredibly solid despite its lightweight body. It is made entirely of high-quality polycarbonate plastic. Unlike many low-cost feature phones that feel flimsy or hollow, the SM-B310E provides a reassuring sturdiness. The textured back panel offers excellent grip, making it almost impossible to slip from your hand. The phone is available in classic colors like blue, black, white. The blue variant, in particular, has become iconic because of its premium matte finish. One of the biggest advantages of this phone is portability. It is extremely small and feather-light, making it a perfect device to put in a shirt pocket, jeans pocket, handbag, or even hang on a lanyard. People who are tired of bulky smartphones will appreciate the comfort of holding this little device. The keypad is one of the strongest points of the SM-B310E. Samsung's T9 keypad design is widely praised for its soft and comfortable buttons, large, well-spaced keys, excellent tactile feedback. Even users with large fingers can type quickly without mistakes. The central navigation pad, the D-pad, is responsive and makes navigating the menu easy and intuitive. Battery performance. Battery life is the biggest strength of the Samsung SM-B310E. 800 mAh battery. It may sound small by modern smartphone standards, but for a feature phone, it is more than enough. The power efficiency of a 2G phone with a small display allows the battery to last extremely long. If you need a phone primarily for calling, messaging, and long battery life, the Samsung SM-B310E is one of the best feature phones available on the market. It is reliable, durable, affordable, and simple to use. Whether you want a backup phone a device for your parents, or a distraction-free companion, this phone delivers exceptional value. Even in 2025, when smartphones dominate the market, the SM-B310E stands out as a timeless classic, proving that sometimes simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.